This color block pillow tutorial will teach you how to use some leftover scraps of fabric to make a small pillow design. I'm including the sewing pattern for this design so that you can easily follow with the step-by-step instructions. You can download that if you check out the link in the description below. It's totally free, no email address required. Start by cutting out your fabric pieces. You want to make sure you cut 2 of each so that you have it for both the front and the back of the pillow. Sew the center pieces together to create that center design line. You can clip off the remaining tabs that poke out of both sides. Now you want to sew the 2 side pieces to that center line. Again, you can just trim off the extra tabs that poke out of the side. And of course, be sure to press your seams as you go. As a note, for you, you will probably want to do both sides of the pillow the same way. I made another tutorial for the other half of this pillow. That was one of my videos last week. So that's why my 2 pillow faces are not the same. So you want to sew the 2 sides of the pillow together. Make sure you leave a small gap in it so that you will be able to turn the pillow out the right way. Before turning to the right side, make sure you clip your corners and then flip everything through that small gap and make sure you press it. Now all you have to do is stuff the pillow. As I said, I like to use leftover fabric scraps that are just too small to use for anything else. But this does tend to make the final pillow a little bit more lumpy than it otherwise would be. So if you don't like that, you can always use whatever type of pillow stuffing material you prefer. After the pillow is filled, you want to sew up the little gap. And that's it, you're finished. You have a cute pillow design that you can make using leftover scraps of fabric.